You know those desserts that melt in your mouth, rich, chocolatey, and so irresistible that one bite turns into 5? Well, today we're making exactly that, gooey, fudgy brownies that are perfectly soft, chewy, and bursting with chocolate in every bite. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of unsalted butter. That's about 230 grams. Microwave it for 20 to 25 seconds, just until it turns soft and slightly melted. Now, add 1.5 cups of sugar, around 300 grams. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, optional, but it deepens that chocolate flavor beautifully. Then add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, roughly 75 grams. Mine isn't too sweet, and that gives the brownies a rich, balanced taste. Now mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Time to add 3 large eggs at room temperature. Whisk them in gently until the sugar is almost dissolved and the mixture looks glossy and creamy. Add a little less than 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that warm, aromatic touch. Then give it 1 final good whip, about 5 minutes, until it turns thick and velvety. You should still feel a few tiny sugar granules between your fingers, but not big ones. Now set it aside. Take about 2 cups of milk chocolate, that's nearly 300 grams. Break it into small pieces and roughly chop it. Add a generous handful of these chopped chocolate bits into your brownie mixture and save the rest for topping. Now sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, around 120 grams, and remember, don't overmix. Use the cut and fold technique, gently folding the flour until it's just incorporated and no white streaks are visible. Line your baking tray with parchment paper so the brownies come out easily after baking. Pour in your rich brownie batter and spread it evenly to every corner. Then sprinkle the remaining chopped chocolate on top because honestly, there's no such thing as too much chocolate. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes, then lift it out gently using the parchment paper. And just look at that glossy top, soft center, and that beautiful crackly crust we all love. It's not too cakey, not overly gooey, just that perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture. Cut it carefully into squares, and I promise, 1 bite and you won't be able to stop. My kids absolutely adore these brownies, and yes, I'm already baking the 2nd batch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Sizzlina, hit that thumbs up, and share it with your fellow chocolate lovers. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.